What's up guys, this is Foster66 aka CSIMC, and in this video I'm doing an update of the video I released earlier called Weird 66114 for display. So anyway, what you want to do is you want to type in whole 9 root 9 comma square root 2, then press equals, then you do an unstack where you press uns and then you spam the to the power of button. Then you fill all of these up with uns. So you get to the second last one where you press divide uns plus, you remove the plus, equals AC up, AC left. Then you remove 1, and you go over here and replace this with a 38. After this, what you want to do is you want to type in 130296 5 times. Then you want to type in 338822 3 times. Then finally, type in 66114 all the way to the end. And there you go, that is what you get. Now you get back to the screen, and another variation of this error is one where you do 130296 5 times. Then you type 338822 twice. Oops. And then 337722 once. And after that you type 66114 for the remaining ones. And you'll get that error. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Like, share, and subscribe.